Girl, look at what she's wearing. She's trash. This is the Sassy Sangria. Okay, so we're using apple slices, not the kinds of apples I like, because I like expensive apples. Okay, and then some pineapple chunks, not the kind of pineapple chunks I like either, because I like my pineapple chunks organic, and then lime slices. Oh my God, I'm so sassy. And then we hit it with some triple sec. Okay. She could have put it more, but anyway. And then some brandy, and that is cheap brandy. I don't drink that, okay, because I'm sassy, only the good stuff. Okay, this show is so low budget. Then I come behind that with some red wine, okay? You don't get sassier than I, okay? Than me. I, me, whatever. I was never good in grammar. Okay, and then we come behind with a bit of Canada Dry ginger ale. You don't have to use Canada Dry because I think there are better ginger ales out there, but I'll roll with that, okay? Okay, and then we stir. Okay, and then we pour it into our glass with some more cheap non-organic fruits, okay, that I would never ever eat. And there you have it.